welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well. Here's a reminder for you that I'm hosting an art contest and a giveaway. The details are on my Instagram page. You can find the link to my page in the description box and in the pinned comment. In today's video, we will paint night sky. Start by taping the paper on all the edges. You can find the links to the art supplies I've used in the description box and in the pinned comment. Use a coin to draw the moon, or you can also draw it freehand. We will mainly be using different shades of blue in this painting. I'm mixing green and blue to get a turquoise shade. Using clean water and a flat brush, we will apply water all over the paper, leaving the moon. Apply the turquoise shade around the moon. I directly mixed green and blue on the paper, but you can make some more mix beforehand. On the outer side, apply a darker shade of blue. Once done, you can either dry the paper using a hair dryer or let it air dry. Take a light shade of blue and start painting the trees. This is for the trees that are far behind. As we move towards the viewer, we will use a darker shade of blue for the trees. Next step is to paint the grass on the ground using blue. For the moon, use grey. If the shape of the moon isn't right, you can use some white to fix it. As the last step of the painting, we will add some stars. And once the paper has dried, you can go ahead and remove the tape.
Thank you.
If you liked the tutorial, then please do like the video. It really helps my channel. Also let me know what I should paint next. If you recreate this painting, then do tag me on Instagram. Do share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.